It's also amazing today, on the 16th of May 2025, we have Porvoonkatu board 20 to 22 staircase A, and also the staircase B built from here. It's finished outside here. Still with operational MP6 here. Luckily so, because we thought it was not, but it was still built in 1963. And the inverter is H11584. And the Swedish MP inside this one. Another smell here. We'll do the rights here.
Yeah.
It's a bit dark.
Not connected.
Yeah, but we'll try the same code.
Yeah.
Det står så helt bra i årshöjden.
Yeah.
And close to Linnanmäki Bodybucket Amusement Park in Helsinki, Sports Finland. I love the sounds also.
Same. Vaikka vain pitää mennä eteenpäin hissiin.
Was this finished in 1963 or 1964?
63, I think.
Okay. Made late 63 finished.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's